two-cylinder thing.
Oh, it's so rusty.
Oh my.
Gabe, I like the new trailer tires, Gabe. They look great. Way better than these. Just kidding. I don't know. Oh, here they are. We got newly inflated trailer tires because this thing is making quite the journey. This thing is going to be going all the way, I don't even know how many miles. It's like a 2-hour drive. We got to go on the ferry with it to bring it over to my parents' house where I'm going to be staying and working on it. That's what we're doing today, and then maybe we'll do some engine work. Gabe has already done some engine work and taken apart the engine a little bit, which I'll show you now.
I want to try.
I'll go Doug.
I want to try. No. That's going to work. And I got this out. You tighten it?
No. I figured it out. It says right there it's a 2-cycle.
I think we knew that.
I feel like we should just buy one of these. Just
What's that?
So whatever this is.
Okay.
First we have to figure out what it's called, and then I think we should buy one.
Oh.
Fuck you. And it's gone.
Wow, Zach, you look so pretty up there.
Isn't connected? That should be. It feels like...
Wait, show me close. What do you think it is, Zach?
This feels like your pubic hairs. Do you want to confirm?
But it's still pretty cool.
What did David... Wait. Can I see that?
No. This might be a 2-stroke thing, but I feel like it's not.
Where's the spark gap?
Nissan 240SX.
What are the odds they're all like this though?
100%, because I feel like they're all supposed to be like that.
I know, that's what I was thinking.
Wait, you gonna remove the last one? Can you get down there?
Yeah,
Ooh, Japan.
look at that. These are JDM. These are the ones I run in my Nissan.
Gabe, how come you removed spark plugs?
To see what they look like?
No.
Yeah.
No. You removed them for compression, even though they're 2 big holes right over there.
It's like a 23. I have a 22.
So the boat's in another temporary home. Gabe's trying to spin the motor. Pretty seized though, from what we can tell. We're gonna do our best to take it apart. We finally got a socket that was right for it. We'll see if it's salvageable. If the pistons are too rusted, then we'll have to find another motor. Gabe, do you remember what motor this is? It's a Mercury. There, Thunderbolt ignition, Mercury Marine. That's the title. It's got a 500 on the cap, and that's
how warm this is
about all we know.
after taking it off.
Ooh, oh.
Isn't that crazy?
Lots of friction. All I'm saying is fuck this.
Is that all you're saying?
That's all I'm saying.
Okay.
Yeah, where's Waldo doing engine repair? This motor's gonna be so messed up.
It's bad.
After taking apart more pieces,
It's more bad.
it's more bad. How are we gonna do it with this shit on the back? This boy. Somebody sheared the top of the bolt off. This
There we
thing.
go, yeah.
This thing. It fell on the ground somewhere. I don't even.
If we tap it this way, it might just...
Oh, spin.
Yeah.
I don't think
It'll
so.
be like an easy access
I don't
flap.
think there's clearance for that.
Easy access. Oh, yeah, you're right. I think you just yanked that out now, Theo. I don't think it's still threaded into anything.
I think you're right.
Yeah.
Not moving.
Wow.
Oh no.
Also, if anybody actually sees this and know this, it'd be a terrible idea if I had any faith in this motor.
Right, you'd be destroying the surface.
Well, I think we're extra destroying the surface because of...
Oh, it's...
This might just be... Oh, a 2-cylinder thing?
Oh, it's so rusty.
Oh my...
Wow.
Okay. Well, that's not the cylinder head.
Yeah, it's not the cylinder head.
It's just a cover. Wow.
Maybe the
Maybe
cylinder
this is
head's
normal.
here then.
This could be normal.
It could be fine.
Oh.
This must be the cylinder head then.
Oh, interesting.
Maybe?
We'll come back when that's off.
Yep. Whoa.
How's it look?
I think we need to go from the back.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, is that water?
Or PB. I filled those up with PB.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Oh.
Oh, man.
You know, I don't know a lot about engines, but I feel like they should not be that hard to turn.
Wow, feel that compression. Oh, it actually did.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. What? You think? Okay, this.
No.
This is probably cooling, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we think this is exhaust. And then the
Oh,
exhaust
maybe.
goes down here
Yeah.
and spits out the bottom.
Yeah, maybe. So then this, wow, intake's right here on the back.
Yeah,
I guess.
intakes obviously over. It could be fixed. I
It's-
think this could be fixed.
It
But
was seized. Is
but-
it gonna run good if it is fixed? Like,
am I gonna spend $500 when I could just buy another one for $500?
ooh, smoking. Might fire up if you're not careful. Or you'll drop the socket. I think it's done. If we had gotten it here and didn't have to take it apart this far to get it to turn over, then like
Maybe.
we could definitely fix it, but is it worth fixing without completely taking it apart, like resurfacing it? I don't know. Probably not.
Gabe didn't think this would work. Stupid Gabe. Oh, it's so
Wow, that's working so well. Ooh.
Yeah, f you. Who needs 50 horses when you got
Wait,
torque?
is the propeller spinning?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, hear me out. Hear me out, Theo. Theo.
Direct drive.
No. Okay, Theo.
Ah, okay, I can't hold it
It
anymore.
spun your hand,
Yeah, it
like I
hurts.
said. Okay,
Hey.
what if we take this off right here? This whole top piece.
Put a
Head
new motor here.
head on over to Harbor Freight. Weld
Smack
the
in
shafts
the-
together.
That is the best idea I've ever heard. Welded shafts.
I agree. It'll be cheaper. Ooh, we could take the motor off my dad's lawnmower.
That's not gonna be enough power.
You don't know that. Without all that resistance, it'll just be a
Yeah.
straight shaft to that propeller.
Water resistance.
Water doesn't have resistance.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Have you ever touched water? It goes right around your hand.